tell one, A, to recover, and B, so that we're not just screaming at you.
And as it's Saturday night, we'll do a nice break-up song. The saddest one we have. It always feels right to play this one in the theatre.
Yeah, and after you've gone and consumed some alcohol to really unsettle your emotions and just let it all out. It's called All That I Could Find.
I'm sorry, family, we played all the new songs in the first.
As soon as you couldn't be bothered to get here on time, we thought we would punish you in the second half and play material from like 30 years ago.
I was probably really bored.
But we should use this opportunity to say that we've joined other bands in what they do, which is they sell a bundle, and this is news to us. So tonight, for one night only of the first of many nights that we will do this, we're going to be selling a bundle of CDs, and this is on one of those older CDs, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that was a tedious link into that. Okay.
And the more you buy, the more Gregs we can eat.
Yeah. Yeah. And just please know that every single penny you donate will go to the vegan sausage rolls, and we won't go for the veggie cakes or anything else, just solely those.
Oh no! Oh, what? My string broke last night, and I didn't tune it back.
Oh, that was really over dramatic though. Well done.
You can carry on.
It was like that reaction was for something so much bigger.
That was because we listened to Annie.
Oh no, Miss Hannigan. Okay.
You could chat some more about sausage rolls.
Oh, I've got loads to say on sausage rolls.
I'm nearly done.
Brilliant, because it turns out I don't have a lot to say about sausage rolls.
Okay.
So this song is extra sad for the world's longest introduction, where you've had to listen to the tuning and detuning of the same string, and it's made you slightly anxious. Then we'll sing a sad song at you, which will make you confused. So just look out for people either side of you during this one.
Please may I have a little bit more in the monitor now, Gingy? Thank you. Thanks. Those eyes I won't forget. You sat down shyly, you stood up politely, feeling frightened, but how are we to know? We live when we grow. There are many like you that get inside you and challenge everything you've ever known. And something changed, and the fire burned and the feelings turned to what could only be described as love. You've read it and misread it, stuck it in and spat it out, entertained it and you teased it, suffocating all its doubt. I couldn't let you go. I couldn't let you go. You tried it, then you liked it, held on tight, then ran away. You used it and confused it, hoping sparks would fly someday. I couldn't let you go. You wouldn't let me go. Love, what was that? And our bond was broken and words weren't spoken. My heart was ripped to shreds all over again. but you are to blame. And though I wish I could, and I probably should, and all those would say you should hang your head in shame, but I let you in. I know how you work, I know how it hurts. There was no trust in the lack of love. And I love to change your mind, but I know you, I had all that I could find. And I love to be your friend, but I know me, it would kill me in the end.